The J-Gun Digital is the first pneumatic torque multiplier with digital display and adjustable torque, featuring an industrial-grade motor that eliminates the need for separate air filters and lubricators. A rugged planetary gear train easily tackles heavy industrial bolting applications. The aluminum alloy handle results in a lightweight design. The pistol grip provides ergonomic operation. Series models are available in a wide range of sizes. Torque is easily adjustable with the inline pressure regulator. An onboard processor converts pressure to torque, eliminating the need for separate tables. Torque is clearly presented on the digital display. Push buttons allow selecting desired units. The silencer reduces noise, vibration, and operator fatigue. The design is compatible with multiple socket and driver configurations. The J-Gun Digital is the tool of choice for heavy pneumatic bolting.